Welcome to my channel. These are some samples where I use some shapes. Firstly, we have to do this exercise. This exercise will help you to free your hand movement. Material are pencil, eraser, kneadable eraser. Make a pentagon according to the structure of hand. Make a light rough outline of hand by using different size of oval. Big oval for palm and wrist and the small oval and circles for fingers. These shapes will give you a basic structure for your whole drawing. With the help of this basic structure, you can easily make a hand. Doesn't matter if the oval is perfect or not. At last, use a 10B or 8B pencil for finishing the outlining structure of hand.